सभी दोस्तों को नमस्कार। मैं जगदीश यादव। आज हम लोग डायरेक्शन वेक्टर कैलकुलस पे बेसिकली डायरेक्शनल डेरिवेटिव्स की बात करने वाले हैं। जैसा कि यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दे रखा, अ पार्टिकल मूव ऑन द कर्व एक्स वाई जेड, दे हैव सम कोऑर्डिनेट वैल्यू where t is the time, and find the component of the velocity and acceleration at time t equal to 1 second in the direction of given vector. Okay, so first of all हमें क्या चीज़ इसमें फाइंड आउट करनी होती है और किस सीक्वेंस में इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व आउट करना होता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब कभी भी हमें इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम दे रखी है तो इस प्रॉब्लम को हम पढ़ेंगे कि एक पार्टिकल है और उस पार्टिकल की कुछ पोजीशन कोऑर्डिनेट्स वैल्यू दे रखी हैं। सबसे पहले हम पोजीशन वेक्टर बनाएंगे। ओके, पोजीशन वेक्टर के बनाने के बाद में हमारे पास में क्या है कि हमें कंपोनेंट फाइंड आउट करना है। वेलोसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन को फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देन आफ्टर उसके कंपोनेंट को फाइंड आउट करेंगे इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस वन। To solve this particular problem, we have some steps. Steps are here. Step number 1, develop R. Develop position vector, vector R. Okay, so that is a x iota plus y of j plus z of k. सबसे पहले हम इस पोजीशन वेक्टर को डेवलप करेंगे। देन आफ्टर विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पोजीशन वेक्टर वी विल डेवलप द वेलोसिटी वेक्टर। ओके, so we will find out the velocity vector, then after we will find out the acceleration vector. Okay, then after the acceleration vector, and then after we will find out the vector n. Okay, then we will find out the unit vector. So the step number 2 to solve this particular problem, that we will find out the normal vector, normal unit vector. Okay, so we will find out the unit vector of I minus 3j plus 2k of this vector. Then after we will take the dot product. Then step number 3 to find the component for the component okay, for the component of v, that will be v of the given vector v of t dot product with this n cap vector. Okay, this is the n cap vector dot with the n cap. So this will be the velocity component, and for the acceleration, so a of t dot n cap. Okay, so this is the way to solve this particular problem. And then after step number 4, we will put we will put the given time t equal to 1 second. Okay, then there will be vector v dot n cap at t equal to 1, same as that vector a dot with n cap at t equal to 1. So that will be the final answer. Okay, so उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये लॉजिक आपको समझ में आए होंगे। चलिए इसी चीज़ को हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग पोजीशन वेक्टर बनाएंगे। पोजीशन वेक्टर हमारा क्या बनेगा? सॉल्यूशन, हमारे पास में पोजीशन वेक्टर बनेगा वेक्टर आर, दैट इज बेसिकली दी पोजीशन वेक्टर, पोजीशन वेक्टर। ओके, that will be 2t square I plus t square minus 4t of j and plus 3t minus 5 times of k cap. So this is the position vector. So let the equation number 1. So now we will find out the velocity. So therefore v of t, that is a velocity vector. So velocity vector, and that is equal to d upon dt of position vector r. Okay, position vector r. So for it will be 4t iota plus 2t minus 4 j cap plus 3 k cap. So this is the velocity. Okay, so this is the equation number 2. Okay, same as we have to find out the acceleration. So velocity we find out, and then after the acceleration, so therefore the acceleration will be a of t. So vector a of t means acceleration. So acceleration, as you know, so acceleration vector, okay, so acceleration vector means d upon dt of the velocity vector, means equation number 2. Okay, so that will be 4 iota plus 2 j, and that will be 0 times of k. Okay, so now we got basically the vector a, that is the acceleration vector. Okay, so this is equation number 3. So finally we find out the velocity and we find out the acceleration. Now the given the vector is the n cap. Okay, so the unit vector, now the step number this one, that we have to find out the n cap. So n cap will be the given vector, the iota minus 3j and plus 2k divided by its magnitude. So magnitude will be, that is 1 plus 9 plus 4. So that is will be final answer. So here, therefore now the unit vector, now the unit vector of the given direction of the given direction. Okay, so that will be, let consider it, let that is the basically the n cap. So n cap will be given vector n divided by magnitude of vector n. Okay, so the given vector is in the direction of iota minus 3 j plus 2k. So the magnitude will be it will be 1 plus 9 plus 4. Okay, so finally it will be 1 upon 14 under root 14 times of plus 2k. Okay, so this is basically the we got the magnitude vector. So now the component of velocity. So we can here write down it, that component of velocity in the direction, in the given direction. Okay, so that will be vector v of t with dot product of given vector n cap. So finally it will be, so the vector, the given vector was, your vector was basically the velocity vector was 4t 4t iota plus 2t minus 4 times of j cap plus 3 k cap. Now this vector will be have a dot product with, so it have a dot product with this one. So it will be 1 upon under root 14 times of iota minus 3j plus 2k. Okay, now next that 2k. So at t equal to 1 second, so at t equal to 1 second, it will be, finally it will be that v vector v, the component vector v dot n cap will be equal to, that is a 4 iota, plus that will be minus of 2j plus 3k. This is the velocity vector at time t equal to 1 second, dot with 1 upon under root 14, that is the iota minus 3j plus 2k. Okay, so because we have to find out the component, so component will be always a magnitude value. So finally it will be 1 upon under root 14, and that will be 4 into 1 plus minus 2 and minus 3 plus 3 and 2. So this is the value. So when we will solve, so it will be 4 plus 6 plus how much, that will be 6, and this is 6, so 6 is 12 plus 4 16. Okay, so it will be 16 divided by root 14, or simply if you solve further, so it will be 16 divided by 14 times of root 14. So this is the component of velocity in the given direction. Okay, so this is the basically the velocity component. So we can the that velocity component v at t equal to 1 dot with the n cap, that is equal to 16 times of 16 divided by 14 times of root 14. Now you may confuse that why we use this root. To rationalize this answer, we multiply numerator and denominator by root 14s. So root to root will be cancelled out, and we got this particular answer. Okay. Now next is that we have to find out the acceleration component. So for acceleration component, so for component of acceleration in given direction, in the direction that will be vector a at t equal to 1 second dot with n cap. Okay, so it will be vector that will be 4 times of iota plus 2j dot 1 upon under root 14, that is iota minus 3j plus 2k. Okay, so that will be 1 upon under root 14, that will be 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 3 and plus 0. Okay, so it will be basically minus 2 divided by root 14. Okay, or simply to rationalize, we multiply this particular value in both sides, so it will be minus 2 divided by 14 times of root 14, so it will be cancelled out. So final answer will be minus 1 by 7 times of root 14. This will be the answer. Acceleration at time t equal to 1 second dot n cap. Okay, so this is the component, acceleration component of the given vector. This is the required answer. Okay, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वेलोसिटी कंपोनेंट कैसे निकालते हैं किसी गिवन वेक्टर डायरेक्शन में, और एक्सेलरेशन कंपोनेंट कैसे निकालते हैं किसी वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन में, ये और वेलोसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट की मदद से, ये सब कुछ आपने इस क्वेश्चन में सीखा। फिर भी अगर कोई डाउट या क्वेरी है तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को कई बार देखें, प्ले करके और खुद सॉल्व करें। फिर भी कोई डाउट जानकारी रहती है तो आप मुझसे कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।